All right, so it's been awesome. So I said that we will do we practice with some of the template, and that's what I will advise you. It helps you to learn more. Don't just go ahead and do your website. At least at this level, don't introduce your website to anybody. For now, you don't need that. What you should do now is practice the template more. It helps you. You may want to do another website tomorrow. You'll have been able to, understand how to design website very well. Because the template you have can actually do multiple websites for you. The reason why I'm training people like this is that you don't need coming back to me. Uh, you can also you can always do it yourself, and at least that's the way to help. So let's try other template. As I promised, we'll try around some templates. You sometimes will have seen. I will show us how you can do a landing page direct, and then using this. If you search for landing page, there should be landing page among the no website you say landing page. Any website that you click a link from outside and it takes you to somewhere where you can be able to make decision as in take action. We have the call to action, either buy now or whatever. Once you click, it takes you to that website is where we call landing page. That is where your link lands to, where the click you click, the link you click land, where it lands to. That's landing page. So, so many people in the general term, what so many people call landing page are one single website, one single page website that you can see all the information there and have the call to action there. So let's just try this approach assassin X. Let's look at Bills Agency, Blogger, Instagram, Blogger, Faces. Let's go. Let's look at this. Which one do we use? Let's try this. Just want to try one landing page. I'm not going here. Like I said, your template, depending on the network and the agreement with the 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 plugins, the templates may come out or may not, but just know that the format will be there for you to use. And then remember, there are 4 requirements that need installing for this template kit to work correctly. And remember I said again that each template depends. They know this one is asking for 4, some will asking for 2, some will ask for 1, some will not asking for at all. But so, and then they have designed the way they look differs. So just give it install and select the requirement. So we will see how this one looks now. And don't forget, I said that the way you create one page, that's how you are going to create all your pages. We are not doing editing now. I'm first showing us how to create our pages. So once we get this, we'll move to also import the template that we can be able to use. Fine. So now once you import the template, the next thing you do is, as you can see this one now, you already see that it gives you this idea of what is going on. But let's go on. So I can choose to view the template, but okay, let's try to view the template in new tab. But then I think we will see it better when we put it on a page. It's always better when you do a page and you can be able to see it. Let's when we do that, you will see it better. So let's go to page, add new page, add new page. Don't forget step by step how page. Okay, we call that page home. Then I said the next is edit with Elementor. Don't forget these steps. Edit with Elementor, and then after once the Elementor open ready to work, you go and change the layout first to Elementor Canva. Please don't forget all this. Get used to them. You see that it will be, once you can practice this over and over, you will discover that doing your website becomes easy. There are all different ways people do website, but for SMEs, for NSMEs, I advise use this WordPress. This will help you. It reduce cost for you. And once you're able to know how to secure your website very well, so you don't need paying big money on website. So Elementor Canvas is what you're going to use. So now, so the next thing we do is that we go to Envato Elements, and then we view install kits. Then we look for home. We look for, now you can see there are different. There's, because it's landing page, you're going to have more of homes. Home, there are different pattern of homes because remember it's a landing page, so it doesn't have contact us, about us. Is one, so it now depends. Here now there are five different. I think there are five different homes. There are five of them. Or five. So you can try out those who want to. You just look at the format. Now, okay. If I try this one now, these are my up. It's up. That's how the hop will be. If I try this one, this is how the hop will be, like that. At least how the hop. If any of them I try, it's the way the hop will be. So let's just try. Let's just try to insert this first one, just for you to know. And like I said, I'm going to take us through how you can do a landing page without having to use any of the templates on your home. That you can do it. Landing page is easy. If you want to know how to use Elementor, you can do that very well. Just what you need to be bringing, and in that one we use section. So I'll be showing us how to do that now. So here we have the landing. This is the idea of the landing page. That's way. So you just be having all the information. Its landing page is always one page. And sorry, you remember I talked about the header and footer, but just because I'm just trying to show us the template, but don't forget all the things you need to have. Let's try to see the footer. You check your template very well to be sure that all the things you need. Is there header? Is there footer? Most of the landing page actually don't have. If you've noticed, so landing pages, anywhere they sell for health products, most time people use landing page. For some books or some. So there are many reasons why people use landing page. And what you notice on landing page is that they mostly don't have header or footer. They only have sections, like you can bring all these sections in. You can bring all the sections in. That's what you have. They're not like a full website that you have the header and footer, but just to give you an idea. But I will come back let's do all this. I will come back to show us how we can create landing page from ground on our own without any template. All right, fine. So let's go again and try another template. So we try another template. I'm deleting this now. This landing page template. Let's go and look for a template that has to. Let's think of a real estate template. Real estate. So because I don't really need to save them. Just doing them to teach you to know how flexible. So that's why I said that you look or you check the templates on your own before deciding the way you are going to use. But what I just want you to do about this now is that the more you practice all of them, the more you get used, you will see different things they come up with. That okay, look at this one now. Look at this real estate, and then look at the way it looks. It should show you that this another, you can see different concepts, and then it's already say that there are 2 requirements that need to install. Now the other one was asking for 4, this one is asking for 2, so you install them, and when we will see, we will now see how this one looks like again. So but you try different templates. There are different templates of different theme, different design, different arrangement. So over the years, what happens as you get used to design, you begin to know. Uh, okay, refresh page. Okay, probably we have it. Okay, this. Okay, I think that was maybe that was probably network. So you try different templates. You'll be able to get used to that. At least once you know this gateway, once you know this process, then we can move. Then by the time we move to other things, because why I'm spending time is that I want you to be able to do anything, any of these things you choose to do. I mean, easy. So, all right, okay. Also, so this was the other one. Um, edit with Elementor. This was the one we did before. So let me just go over. Try to. So there are so many templates. There are templates about the we've seen the e-commerce. We've seen you have a gym. You have template for gym. You have template for food, for organic food. You have template for farming, different for transportation. So many templates. So we will go to back to just want to back there. I will delete this template now. Okay. Okay. Let me refresh, then I'll be able to delete it. Only because I want to use the same template. Okay, so let's go to elements. Okay, so store kits. All right, so this is the real estate. So what we're now going to do now is that we have it now. So don't forget page. Okay, so let's add new page. Then we go and just want to try it again. See, sure. Say home. Remember, I didn't publish that. Just doing the example for us. So edit with Elementor. So sometimes Elementor can delay, network and other things, but still the best option for you. So you don't forget, you go to your settings and then you now look for page layout. You change it to Elementor Canvas. Change it to Elementor Canvas. Then okay, this came with the you can see that these two came with, because they are Elementor, there is an Elementor template, so they came with the Elementor template. But this one we are using, don't forget Envato. So we choose, then we say view install kits. Then the next thing is that we go for the header. For every time you install for every time you want to install, upload to a page, header is important for your complete website header. And we look at this one now. The way we now come back, we now go inside to do editing. You can see that's how the header will be. You will put your logo, whatever. Then let's just complete this one. Let's be sure we complete this one now. And where is the home page? Home. My home page. Okay. And the footer. Where's my home page? Okay, this one is having, so let's use this one. They have 3 for you. Find your feature home. The other is to search. This one, so let's use this one. This looks better. Modern house. So this one, we will have to click and it takes them there. So what we do now, so we have that, we have the home page, then we now go and add footer. Then this one now, once we add the footer, with this one, we will publish it. We will look at it, how it looks. Then when we now come out or come back, we will now continue with the editing. How do you edit your website? That's where we'll be going to after this one now. So, all right, so let's look for the footer. Install. So this gives us a complete one page of the website. Now we are dealing with home page now. So you have to decide, okay, you are doing contact us, about us, everything, all the pages you want to have, you will decide that. So because you can see the footer of the website. Now, after you have done this, the next thing is to come here, the Elementor, and you publish. So when you publish, you can have a look, right? You can have a look. Fine. So this you can see. Now you notice that the image, like I said, by image may not come by network or by the plugin, but you have the idea of what is there. So it's you that will put your own image. If the image does, of course, you don't, those are not your image already. You are still going to change them. So I'll be showing us how we change all the images, how we beautify our website, how we do the editing, how we put the menu, we get to all those places, we do all those things. But for now, and I've noticed something that now when you see a situation like this, what this one is telling us that this website, this homepage comes with its header on its own. So when you have a situation like this, it's very simple. What you will do is that you go back there. Even they take note. But since what you do is that this one, this X is a way to delete if I want to delete anything. So what you're going to do very simple is to delete it. You will want to X because you already have this, so it will be so that you don't have to, or you don't need it. So just remove them. Yeah, so you can see that you have it back. Then once you do that, you update it here. Any corrections you make on your main site, you update, then you go to how your front end and refresh. Once you refresh, it will reflect. Can you see it? So it will refresh, it will reflect, the new correction will reflect. Now, when we come back now, we will begin the editing. All these things you see like this, they are images. They are representing images. As you, if you check your template, you will see. So I want us to stop there now. We'll now come back and begin to do editing. And the format of the editing I do, you will use to do your own editing, the pattern of your website. You know, websites are not the same. So it's what we are just, what I'm trying to train you is the concept of how you can get it done. So that's what you now apply to your own website. So that's the way it is. You just need to practice. You can see that I'm taking us step by step because I want us to get it. I want us to get it. You can see it is very simple. You just follow, do it this way, do it this way. Then you just get it. So when you see beautiful websites, it takes time, but of course you like them. And I'm saying that you too can do something like that. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.